another superstar. Hi, Auntie! She's ready to go. Auntie Le Momiho just celebrated her 29th birthday last week. 29 plus lots of tax, yeah, Auntie?
21.
21 plus tax. I got to host Auntie's party like 2 weeks ago. She just celebrated 80 years young, everybody! 20 more years, she could be 100.
I don't think I will last that long.
She can, no, for real. She told everybody at her birthday party the secret to living long is you gotta dance hula. Right, Auntie? She had a very, very busy year. She judged the Mary Monarch Hula competition and the Queen Leo Kalani Kiki Hula competition, and she's here to celebrate Ho'olau Kanaka. So ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the one who just celebrated her 80th birthday and is here today from Halau Keali'ika'apunihonua Hula. Kumuhula Auntie Le Momiho.
Thank you, Millie. Aloha. Oh, you guys can do better than that. Try again. Aloha. All right. And it's going to be a beautiful day. The sun is going to start to come out. Aku is blessing all of us, yeah? Thank you for coming to support Kumusani and Kumupaka. And we all spend this time together sharing friendship, sharing fun, sharing most of all what we're all about, hula and music. So thank you for the opportunity, halau namamo pu'uana hulu, for having us. We are Keali'ika'apunihonua o Hula. We reside from the valley of Palolo Oahu, and it's lower Palolo. There's higher and there's lower. We belong to lower. So allow us to share with you this morning. We're going to keep it simple. And I told our haumana, we're going to go back to roots. And every dancer that comes through halau learn these 2 mele before they learn anything else in kahiko, which is kavika and lili'ue. And so we thought we'd open the program and share our ali'i with our beginnings that they learn from the beginning when they come to hula. So allow us to share with you kalakaua aia no kavika, kui lili o kalani with lili'u o kalani, and our favorite princess, Princess Kaiulani. So share with us now our day, and please enjoy. Kahaina Hawaii lo kahia kulike olu kamana o ha kokulana ahonuya lana kila aloha ke akua aloha ya oko a pauloa aloha na haumano Keali'ika'apunihonua ke ena o hula aloha. Hopu kamai na loke o palolo ula ula mele mele ame alani ha amai kamele o na ali na loke o palolo e ha amai ay ala ya Hei ano ka havika ei hei ka heke a ona hapuai ei hei Hei ano ka havika ei hei ka heke a ona hapuai ei hei Ka wila mahaka ike na ei hei Malama o Hawaii ei hei Ka wila mahaka ike na ei hei Malama o Hawaii ei hei Kalono pekane ei hei Alohe ke puini o palani ei hei Kalono pekane ei hei Alohe ke puini o palani ei hei Na vai e ka pua iluna ei hei No ka paake ahe makua ei hei Na vai e ka pua iluna ei hei No ka paake ahe makua ei hei Haina ia mai ka puana ei hei o Keali'ika'apunihonua ei hei Haina ia mai ka puana ei hei o Keali'ika'apunihonua ei hei Ai ala ia Ai hino no Keali'ika'apunihonua Lili ue no hona ni mai Ko kino e ki mili mili Lili ue no hona ni mai Ko kino e ki mili mili Ko maka e no geo nei Ko papalina e ko kuana Ko maka e no geo nei Ko papalina e kukuana Ko pohi viani pe ahi Ko polie anahe vale Ko pohi viani pe ahi Ko polie anahe vale Ko pulie nuku moi oe Ko baba e pahu mai luna Ko pulie nuku moi oe Ko baba e pahu mai luna Haina ia mai ana kapuana Lili uo kalani no hona ni mai Haina ia mai ana kapuana Lili uo kalani no hona ni mai E ala Ai, hei no lili uo kala Lahi ke ala o ya hauka Kila ike a o aina Lahi ke ala o ya hauka Kila ike a o aina Ho kahi puanani I ka lipo I ka ono hiwai anue Ho kahi puanani I ka lipo I ka ono hiwai anue Huia ala ike ona Luhea I ka wai iliahi Huia ala ke ona Luhea I ka wai iliahi Kana hele kapu o yakini Malugehiana I ka Hula Kana hele kapu o yakini Malugehiana I ka Hula Haina ia mai kule O ka veki ulani he inoa Haina ia mai kule I ka veki ulani he inoa Ai hino no Kaiulani. Hoie, hoila, hoia na kamae, na ibina kini o ka ainala. Hoino me ka malua ke aloha I hilohi ai ka pu'ukai. Haiala, iala, ea. Ai, hinono, Keali'ika'apunihonua.
Ladies and gentlemen, kumuhula tine momihon.
Alamai kalahui laulai kaulana o mai
Hula.
Ha'ahe oi Hawaii. Ano ai no me ke aloha. Ke aloha no ka mea nui. Aloha.
Everybody make some noise, Auntie Mommy Ho! 80 years and another 80 years more to go! Love you, Auntie! Love you, Auntie! Woo! Put your hands together for Keali'ika'apunihonua, Hula. And while our next performer and the Hokuhanhon War Star is getting ready, we want to invite you guys to please go and shop local and support all the halaus and all of our local vendors. They have lots of food. They've been prepping for many hours. Just like this halau, they've been prepping. Halau na mama pu'uana hulu has been prepping for the last 12 months for today. So mahalo to each and every one of you for coming out to support our ho'olau Kanaka, where we give back to all the halau participating today.